Welcome back. We got a real wild one today. Actually, it's a project that has started based off of something that is not a Bigfoot at all. Let me see if my little guy Maddox can help me. Can you get me your truck?
Get ready to this, guys.
That's right. All right. So, my obsession with Bigfoot and creating a mini Bigfoot started with a gravedigger, as funny as that sounds. So last Christmas, my son and I got these mini LMTs. These have been just an absolute blast to play with. They've been awesome to modify, and I'm going to show you how a gravedigger monster truck actually led me to move into the Bigfoot world. So again, so here we go. So got the mini LMT, absolutely incredible platform. I love that LOSI listened. I love that they heard the fans and they said, we're going to deliver a solid axle mini monster truck that has incredible performance. We started off with the truck, loved the truck. The performance has been incredible. The durability has been great. So having blast with it, but ultimately what I was trying to do is I knew where it was going. Obviously, if you see in the background, every truck that I've bought that has a solid axle has eventually evolved into another Bigfoot truck, and this LMT is no different. But I will tell you that it's given me all the performance that we've looked for. And I have a couple of trucks to credit for this in existence. One of them, obviously, is the LOSI Mini LMT. The other, which is the traxxas TRX4 MT, the little guy there. How I got there is the body. So we're going to move into how this truck is evolving and what has kind of led to getting it here. So a couple of things that traxxas did incredible was they developed the clip system here, this clipless body system, and then they introduced this incredibly scale Ford monster truck body for the TRX4, the other variant. I'm gonna get the Clodbuster out of here. Thank you to traxxas and thank you to LOSI for helping us get to where we're at today, which for me has been a little bit of a journey. So we got the LMT out there, and honestly, it had tons of power. But I was again trying to get to that Bigfoot situation. So I took the TRX4 MT body, and I needed to figure out how to get it onto the LOSI platform. Wanted to retain the clipless system, so designed these brackets here. They are 3D printed. They're made out of PLA, there's another video that I did on those, and they have been working pretty well. I'm on like my 15th variant of these. I made them where they were just working, and then I made them where the body was tighter on the truck, and then I was using them to bash, and I started breaking them, so I started beefing them up. So we're on like version 7, but the system is functional, very functional now. And it's actually able to start taking the hits, which ultimately is where we're trying to get, where I wanted to get to. So the body clips right on, just like the traxxas system. I saw another YouTuber, Jeff, put these TLT1 rims and tires on, and the truck looked incredible. And then, same guy, Jeff, man, that guy is an innovator. He found online this truck, and I think we were going for the Clodbuster look, but honestly, these tires looked incredible on the Bigfoot. So it just looked, to me, it looked like they just belonged there. So I went to work trying to adapt these tires to the mini LMT. So back to the 3D printer, back to Fusion, start drafting and drawing again, and I came out with my first wheel variant for the first prototype for adapting these tires to that truck. So I put the first one out there. The tires they mount right up, which is awesome. And then it was more about just fitting and refining the design a little bit, making things a little better. But now they actually mount right up to the truck. So basically got everything all kind of sorted out and did some prototyping with the wheels. Did a secondary design, and we went with, we got the lug nuts in there now, and just started smoothing out a lot of the finishes. Did a lot of beveling on the inside of the wheel to make it look more like a functional monster truck wheel, and did some adjustments on the other side. Got everything set up, and really what we've worked out, Maddox, if you can spin that Bigfoot truck around for me, please. Now we've got working prototypes on the truck with the tires off of this Super Challenger truck that they found out there on, I think they found it was on Amazon is where we ordered it from, but based off of the suggestion. And this is really just to take off of a clodbuster. They even used the ladders and the battery compartment. So this is going to be a different project that's coming soon, but I really wanted to take you on this journey because look at how incredible this thing looks with the tires. I mean, just set up the way that it is just incredible. It is absolutely incredible. I mean, it just looks the part. This may be one of the best looking Bigfoot replicas that I own, and I've got quite a few here, as you can see in the background. Pretty invested in the monster truck world from Bigfoot. I am a super fan of Bigfoot. I honestly would love to meet Bob Chandler and Jim Kramer, and you know, it's just it's on my bucket list. I want to turn the key on the original Bigfoot one day, and hopefully I get the opportunity to do that. I didn't get here on my own. The RC community, it's such a awesome group out there that gets involved, and honestly, collectively, I think we can all look to achieve what we're trying to in this hobby. But I think it takes the whole village. We put the FuryTech system in here. That was another install. So this truck has more than adequate power, and now it has the look that I'm going for here, and just super excited to share this build with you. So we've got the clipless body system that's on here and functioning. So this has just been an absolutely awesome build. And we're not done yet. We're going to keep going. I think we're going to pop some aluminum axles in here, and you know, we'll just keep going with it. We'll just see where we end up. You know, I think that's the fun part of doing this. So if you like what you're seeing out there, please give me a thumbs up and share your comments, and just, you know, tell us a little bit about your journey and what you're doing out there and some of the projects that you've got going on. But having a lot of fun. The 3D printer thing has just been an unbelievable part of this hobby for me now. I mean, I just never imagined that if you can think of what the part is that you want, you can literally have it within the same day, you know, from not existing at all to being another part on your parts bench. So we're going to keep 3D printing stuff, and I hope to keep getting these refined so that I can share the files with everybody out there. If there's an interest in it, let me know. I will figure out a good format to get this stuff out to everybody. But the clipless body system will be very, very soon. I just wanted to let everybody know that I literally just landed on a prototype that I feel is finally starting to take the hits the way that I want it to. I don't want to put anything out there that I'm not happy with, you know, and I don't think that you'll be happy with. So so that's why we kind of keep going back to the drawing board and just making things better. So I'm gonna do a ton more testing, and we will make it where I think we're gonna get to the point where they're factory equivalent, or at least close enough where you can go out and enjoy the trucks the way that you want to, and they'll last. So if you like what we're doing, tell us about it. If you think there's something else we can do, or if you think that there's something I can adjust or make better, please put that suggestion out here, because that's how these things are possible. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do another video, and we're going to talk about all the trucks on the table, and what really how they all came to be. Alex, I wanted to thank you for being my special guest and helping me introduce everybody to our Bigfoot collection.
So, like and subscribe, guys.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.